Yo, hey there, videography enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit designed for the DJI Pocket 3. This guy right here. So if you're eager to enhance your video quality, stay tuned. Before we dive in, remember to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell for more content. Your support keeps us going. So let's begin. The newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit is a must-have accessory for the DJI Pocket 3 users. This kit includes 3 ND filters at the ND16, the ND64, and the ND256, alongside a CPL filter. These filters attach magnetically, making it easy to adjust exposure and control the lighting conditions while shooting. Whether you're a budding content creator, travel enthusiast, or a seasoned videographer, the newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit is tailored for anyone aiming to elevate their DJI Pocket 3 footage. Firstly, the magnetic design allows for quick attachment and adjustments of the filters, ensuring that you can adapt to different lighting conditions effortlessly. Secondly, the ND filter offers precise light reduction, enabling you to achieve optimal exposure and cinematic effects in various settings. Thirdly, the CPL filter reduces reflections, enhances color saturation, and boosts overall image quality, making your footage visually stunning. Now, one potential drawback of the newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit is that the filters can be a challenge to remove, especially if you don't have fingernails or you have little bits of fingernails. They're very hard to grab and pull that filter off. This may just require some patience and dexterity when swapping out the filters, especially if you're in a hurry. The newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit is a valuable tool for enhancing your DJI Pocket 3 videography. With its user-friendly design and ability to improve exposure, reduce glare, and enhance color saturation, this kit opens up new creative possibilities for capturing breathtaking footage. Ready to enhance your DJI Pocket 3 videos with the newer magnetic ND and CPL filter kit? Check the link in the description for more details and to make a purchase if you'd like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech product and DIY reviews from me. I thank you for joining us. I hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate your time, and until next time, peace.